Hi, this is Brian over at Awesome Collectibles and Vinyl Addicts, and this video today is going to go over a couple pieces of stereo equipment that we have. Actually, one of them that's going to be purchased, or actually has been purchased. So if you're viewing this, it's already sold, but this is for demo purposes only. This is a Yamaha CA-1010 stereo amp. Really nice, really clean unit. Heavy, very heavy, nice wood grain. No issues with the wood grain at all. Everything is really good condition. Really nice wood grain. And it is solid wood. Here's all the connections on the back. I have one speaker hooked up to it right now. Then all the input jacks there on the back. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Now I don't have anything hooked up to it like a turntable or anything, so we're just going to hear static, unfortunately. So there it goes, it just turned on. You hear the static coming out of the one speaker. Guess I could hook up an antenna to it to get the tuner going, but my antenna is hooked up to another stereo system right now. Let me turn off the lights so you can see the lights working on it. There are the lights to the meters. Everything works properly. And this is here's some of the recent sales on eBay. They go for anywhere from $3.90 down to $2.50. There's one for $69, but it was as is and needed some work. So, and this one works perfectly. There's no issues at all. All the knobs, everything's there. Everything functions just right. And that's it. That's the video for this Yamaha CA-1010. And you can see the meter's actually working, even though it's just static. All the meters are functioning. And that's it. Thanks for checking out this video. And check us out online at Awesome Collectibles, Vinyl Addicts. We have tons of stuff. As you can see, I have tons of stuff here I'm still going through all the time, every day. It never ends. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll talk to you soon.